In this video, I am going to show you how to export your search history on Outlook. Once signed in, locate the Settings option at the top of the page. In the Settings menu, select General to expand the General Settings options. From there, find and click Privacy and Data. This will take you to the section where you can manage your search history and other privacy-related settings. If you prefer to keep a record of your search history outside of Outlook, you can export it as a CSV file. Look for the Export option in the same section. When you select this, Outlook will generate a CSV file containing your search history, which you can then download and save to your device. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.